How many persons can travel in one tier AC in IRCTC? Look into my channel Logicaholic. There are two kinds of compartments in Indian Railways. First class AC, coupe, for 2 persons together, 2 cabin for 4 persons together. In a full first AC there are 3 coupes in middle. Look below in diagram. Coupes are C, D, and E, and 2 cabins on both ends, which means in complete coach there can be 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 22 persons can travel. Hope you find this answer giving an in-depth explanation. If you find this answer interesting, you might find my YouTube videos interesting too, which explains the reason behind so many things. Here I'm providing a link.